Hello, welcome back to Carbonwurks. Here we have another brand video. So this time it is TEIN Suspension. So these guys cover all things suspension. They do springs, dampers, coilovers, right through to having automatic and electronic damping control. So full range of equipment available from them, covering road, off-road and track applications. So chances are, no matter what car you have or no matter your use, they're going to have an appropriate product for you. TEIN have been in the game for a long time. They established themselves in 1985 in Yokohama, Japan. The first 5 years they were working with OEM production, so all standard car parts. And then in 1990 we come to what we have here, which is their own brand specific production. So this is an Endura Pro damper kit, again specifically for the Tesla Model Y behind us. This has adjustable damping controls, so you can adjust the ride quality through the end of the damper here. They're also a heavy duty design, so they have a large diameter shaft and bore here, as well as heavy duty gauge material. So it is a more heavy duty part compared to the original. They also feature a fairly cunning hydraulic bump stop design. So rather than having the external physical bump stop, it's internal, which then means a more cushioned end to the travel of the shock stanchion in here. And that is hopefully what is going to dial out the ride comfort issues with the Tesla there. So they are also based in the UK and USA. They've been here for around 20 years. 2003 they moved into the UK, so we can have good, strong brand affiliation with them. We've already fitted some of their products, so we've had a great experience with the Toyota GT86. So fit, quality and customer feedback was great on that kit, and we're looking forward to getting this one on the Tesla as well. So any queries, any requirements for you guys personally, feel free to check out our website, send us an email and we can see what TEIN have to offer.